Okay, clicked on to the 12 o'clock update. Just want to give you a brief overview of how things are actually materializing physically compared to what the models have, and let you know if things are going to be on track. What I have here is where the actual storm has gone over the past, I guess, 8 hours. And you can see this morning around 4 o'clock. Storm sitting just off of North Carolina. And then right here is around 8 o'clock in the morning. It's sitting right off of the Outer Banks. Okay, so already this morning I was looking at this. I saw that, okay, the storm is going a little further west of the GFS model. So right now the GFS model I'm throwing out. And right now it looks like the NAM and European blend is the best bet for this storm, which does put us right into my snowfall target that I showed last night. The latest observation, and this was about an hour ago, has a storm just off of Virginia Beach. And if you could see here, there's a little tiny blue dot there. That's one of the buoys out in the ocean. And that's really a benchmark for this storm, because if the storm passed to the east of this buoy, that would have been a pretty bad sign. It would have most likely meant that the storm's going to tinker off like this, and there's going to be less precipitation for us up here. But it actually passed to the west of that buoy. That's a very good sign. It shows you that the NAM model is verifying. And real briefly, let's take a look at one other feature that's very important. Here was the radar at 10 o'clock this morning. And if you notice, you have the one storm system here, and the second one right here, and the low pressure center is actually right down there. Now, as I explained last night, these two are going to combine somewhere around here. And if you look at the NAM model, where it said it was supposed to look like at 10 o'clock in the morning, you can see it has a heavy precipitation out here and down here. But if you compare that to what it actually did look like at 10 o'clock in the morning, you could see that the precipitation was a little quicker. So here you notice the heavy precip is in western Pennsylvania, whereas on the model it has a heavy precipitation over eastern Ohio. So it's a little quicker, and that's a good sign, because we need these two to combine quicker. Well, good sign if you like snow, bad sign if you don't. We need these two to combine quicker to produce more rapid development near our area and give us the 1.5 to 2 inch amounts for precipitation. So it looks like that's what it wants to do. I like this map. This is my original map I put out, and I really like it. Again, a swath of 8 to 14 inches here, 12 to 18. If I edited this, I would maybe bring this up a little bit this way and a little bit to the north. But I figure anywhere in North Jersey here, north of 78, we're looking at a 8 to 15, 8 to 18 inch snowstorm. Someone's going to get a lot of snow from this. But it's going to sharply cut off as you go to the west. So out here might only have 6 inches because of the banding of snow, as you can see. And this is my other map I put out. This is a little more bullish. I put this out the other night. I told you it would be a blend between this one and the one I just showed you. This can still happen, but I think right now my original forecast on Tuesday actually is pretty accurate. And I'm gonna have to favor this right now. And real quick, just to show what the actual storm looks like now. Here it is in real time. So you can see it's really deepening rapidly. The pressure on it's about 994 millibars. The model had it at about 998, so it's stronger than expected. And we'll have to watch for these two features to combine and see what happens. And based on that, we will see if the NAM model verifies. And here, real quick, here is the NAM model, what it's supposed to look like. I think this is accurate. So here it is now. This is 10 o'clock. This is 1 o'clock. This is 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 1 a.m., 4 a.m. So keep checking in. I'm going to do another detailed video update probably tonight around 6 or 8 o'clock when things really start picking up. Just as a side note, expect some rain to break out around the city and eastern New Jersey. That will change back by this evening, so don't be alarmed. But the sweet spot looks to be north central Jersey all the way up into Boston. That will definitely see over 2 feet. Check in later. That's all for now.